Hey everyone, Mitchell here from Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're looking at NuScale Power, ticker SMR, a pioneering company behind small modular reactor technology, delivering safe, scalable, carbon-free nuclear power for data centers, industry, and the grid. Major news driving momentum. Shares are surging over 12% in pre-market today after Bank of America issued an upgrade, highlighting strong pro-nuclear policy tailwinds and explosive demand for reliable energy to power AI growth. The stock has already climbed more than 30% recently amid a broader nuclear renaissance, with continued partnership progress and analyst targets well above current levels. NuScale remains positioned as a leader in the clean energy transition. As always, this is not financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.